Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Jason in Oklahoma on this RCI-2970N2. Jason got ready to go for you. Hope you got all my short little videos on Messenger showing what you had going on beforehand. Let's get right to the after. 100-watt slug, about 2 watts all the way down, so you have full adjustability. 40 watts all the way up. Average power swing, low, floating about 110 or so. 250 watt slug, peak power, or low, about 240 peak. Alright, Jason's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you're watching this, something you'd like to have done, check us out on the web at www.truckscbsales.com or simply email us at truckscbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.